एक्सरसाइज 3.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखते हैं. आफ्ताब tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. See, in this sum, 2 persons are given, Aftab and his daughter, and their ages are given 7 years ago and after 3 years. So always this ages type of sums, always we assume the present ages. The present age of Aftab is X years and the present age of his daughter is Y years. Always ऐसे एजिस टाइप के सम में आपको प्रेजेंट एज अज्यूम करना है. लेट द प्रेजेंट एजिस ऑफ आफ्ताब एंड हिज डॉटर are X and Y years respectively. Present ages of Aftab and his daughter are X and Y years respectively. So here given that 7 years ago, I want to ask question. Your present age is 15 years. What is your age before 7 years? 15 minus 7, it is 8 years. आपने क्या किया? 7 को subtract किया present age में से. So 7 years ago, what was the age of Aftab? That is the present age minus 7. What was the age of his daughter? That is present is Y minus 7. So, before 7 years, the age of Aftab is equal to X minus 7 years and the age of his daughter is equal to Y minus 7 years. Now, here the comparison of ages of Aftab and his daughter. So we write the Aftab as left side and his daughter as right side. According to given condition, the age 7 years ago, the age of Aftab 7 years ago and the age of his daughter 7 years ago. The age of Aftab was 7 times than compared to his daughter. 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were. Means the age of Aftab was 7 times than compared to his daughter. So the age of Aftab is 7 times than compared to his daughter. So what is our equation? X minus 7. We write left side because left side we write Aftab and 7 times into Y minus 7. Open the bracket. X minus 7 equals to 7Y minus 7 7s are 49. So therefore X 7Y we take left side minus 7Y minus 49 we take left side, minus 7 plus 49, it is 42. So it is our first equation, equation number 1. Now, what is the second condition? 3 years from now means after 3 years, 3 years later, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Right? Means after 3 years, the age of Aftab will be 3 times as the age of compared to his daughter. Your present age is 15 years. What will be your age after 3 years? It is 15 plus 3, it is 18 years, right? So present age of Aftab is X years. So what will be the age of after 3 years? X plus 3. And what will be the age of his daughter? Y plus 3. So after 3 years, the age will be X plus 3 and Y plus 3 of Aftab and his daughter. After 3 years, we write the left side Aftab and right side his daughter. After 3 years, the age will be X plus 3 of Aftab, and after 3 years, his daughter's age will be Y plus 3. After 3 years, the age of Aftab is 3 times than compared to the age of his daughter. So here we write 3 times, right? So what will be the equation? X plus 3 equals to 3 into Y plus 3. Therefore, X plus 3 equals to 3Y plus 3 3s are 9. Therefore, 3y we take left side, x minus 3y, 9 we take left side, 3 minus 9 minus 6 equals to 0. Here we have 2 equations. So it is the presentation of this problem algebraically. Now we draw a graph of this situation. Our 2 equations are x minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0 and x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Now we draw a graph. X minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0. To get the value of x and y, what we do? The least coefficient of any variable we write left side. Therefore, x equals to 7y minus 42. Now what we do? We assume the values of x and y. x और y की वैल्यू assume करनी है. यहाँ पे 42 है तो 7 6 क्या हो जाएगा? 42 हो जाएगा. तो हम यहाँ पे y is equal to 6 लेते हैं. 7 6 42 minus 42 it will be 0. Now यहाँ पे 5 लेते हैं. 7 5 35 minus 42 minus 7 और यहाँ पे 7 लेते हैं. 7 7 49 minus 42 it is 7. Table of these values we draw this way. X and y and order pair xy minus 7 0 7 and 5 6 7. So order pairs are minus 7 5 0 6 and 7 7. What is our second equation? It is x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Again the coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is minus 3. So what we do? We write x equals to 3y plus 6. Again we assume the values of x and y. we take y is equal to 0. 3 into 0, 0 plus 6, x becomes 6. We take y is equal to minus 1. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 6, it is 3. And y is equal to, we take 1. Then 3 into 1, 3 plus 6, it will be 9. Now, we draw a table for these values. X and y and order pair xy. X की वैल्यू है 3, 6, 9. Y की वैल्यू है -1, 0, 1. Order pairs are 3, -1, 6, 0 and 9, 1. Now we draw a graph. Zero, x, x dash, y and y dash. The maximum value on x positive side 9 and negative side is -7. So here we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here we write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Now first pair -7, 5. -7 and 5. Here we draw -7, 5. 0, 6. Here we draw 0 and 6. Here we write 0, 6. And 7, 7. 7 and 7. So our graph is like this. It is the graph of x -7y plus 42 equals to 0. Now 3 minus 1. 3 and -1. Here we write 3 and -1. 6, 0. Here we write 6, 0. And 9, 1. 9 and 1. So it is the graph of x -3y -6 equals to 0. Now in this question, we represented the situation algebraically and the graphically. What we did in this example, according to given conditions, here we have made two equations. X -7y plus 42 equals to 0 and x -3y -6 equals to 0. Then according to, we take the values of x and y, we draw the table and then we represent the sum graphically.